Forex trading requires a lot of consistent practice, time, and dedication. But a lot of traders would prefer to go for attractive signal channels. When I mean attractive, you're gonna see a lot of screenshot, trade results, and profit and all that. So they end up taking trades, leading them into huge drawdowns, thinking that the market will always come back their direction. And at the end of the day, they end up losing a whole lot of money, leaving them really frustrated and depressed. They can be very, very frustrating. In this video, I'll be explaining basic tips I feel will really help you to understand the market in its simplest form. Without wasting much time, let's jump right in. Yesterday, I did a live session where I analyzed gold. Alright, I did the analysis on 4-hour time frame, then we moved down to the 50-minute time frame to target the entry lines. Of course, I actually took the trades and I posted the result in my channel. You can always check that to see for yourself, and you can also join my Telegram channel for more updates like this. Alright, so real quick, I'll be breaking down I'll be giving you a quick breakdown on how I analyzed the trade, as you can see right here on my screen. Okay, using the 4-hour time frame, of course that was yesterday. We didn't have all this moves. All right, so what I basically look at was this previous price action area where the buyers got into the market, where the market had a major move. All right, so it went all the way up to this level. All right, so I marked this area as my major reversal area. Okay, then as at the time I was analyzing the trade, we had a price rejection at this level right here, which was the basis for me drawing this trend line you can see right here. Let's move to the minute time frame so that I can quickly show you the exact point. Okay, let me expand this. All right, so this was the area where we had the pullback. All right, so that was where I used as my basis for my trend line. Okay, so I only need just 2 points to connect using the 4-hour time frame for the trend line that I needed for my analysis. All right, so after that, the next thing I'm looking out for, which is one of my secrets that I'll be sharing with you. All right, so I believe this is something I've been working with over time, and I believe it's something that you can also incorporate into your trading, to any type of trading method you are using. Of course, you will definitely benefit from this. This right here, this area, this was the opening price. This was the opening price during the Asian session. All right, as you can see right here, let me hover this cursor right here. You can see this is exactly 12 a.m. in the midnight. See right here, so that was the candle that formed. We had a small doji candle right here, so I marked that area. That's the reason why I marked this area, was basically because I'm using this area as my pivot area, or let me say my starting point. After doing that, I'm looking at the retracement. I'm looking for retracement. Of course, I trade only London session. I don't trade any other session. Okay, so that is also one of it. As you can see right here, there was a trend. There was a little reversal right here. It was at 8 a.m. in the morning, London time. Yeah, I was expecting that. So I marked this area as well. You can see that I used the trend line, and I also used this this line right here, this vertical line right here, to target my take profit in case of there is a continuation in the sell, or that, of course, I'm expecting to see that. So after the price moved towards this area, I drew this box so as to check the levels between this area and my stop loss area. Of course, if you are trading this particular strategy, your stop loss should be above this area. All right, so there was a price rejection here, so I got in when I saw this move. I got into the market. All right, so after I got in here, my stop loss was somewhere around here. My first take profit was here. Of course, you can go back to the live session. You will definitely see all I did right there before all this move happened. All right, as at 1:30 yesterday afternoon, there was a news. Of course, the news gave this spike right here, you're seeing right here. So after it almost touched my TP2, but it didn't, it got rejected to test this trend line I drew right here. You can see that after all my analysis, then the next thing is for the price to react on my analysis. Of course, if your analysis is very perfect, so definitely the trade will always react on your analysis. That is something that's very, very much affirmative. Yes, you can be very sure about that. All right, if your analysis is perfect, even the news will respect your analysis. That is one simple truth. All right, so you can see right here there was a retest on this zone, then the price went all the way to hit my TP2. Boom, you can see that. So you can see right here the line I drew previously, there was a pullback. It almost hit this line, then it gave another chance for you to re-enter the trade. Of course, you can see right here it moved all the way to hit my TP3. All right, so this was my TP3, which I drew right from the 4-hour time frame that I earlier showed you. All right, so as you can see right here, so towards the end of the day I closed my trade. I think I closed my trade at TP2 or something. So of course I knew it was definitely going to sell more. All right, and today, which is Wednesday, yeah, so we had a really little pullback towards this area, but of course we know that we're already on a sell trend, so we're looking to enter sales only, sell opportunities. You can see right here, boom, it went all the way down. So it's pretty simple, yeah. So I believe this strategy is something that really works perfectly, and I believe anyone can actually apply this to their trading. So if you find this video useful, please kindly support my channel by hitting the like button and subscribe so as to help this video to reach out to more people. All right, thank you so much for your time. Do have a lovely day.